If you're looking to create chic and practical style and create timeless wardrobe that are going to serve you for quite a while, I'm going to be sharing with you 5 things that I do not encourage my clients to do as a style coach. This is all I'm using myself. It's my philosophy, it's my framework that I developed. For me, it's my specialty building this type of timeless wardrobe, timeless, classy, and practical and comfy wardrobes. And a lot of my clients want the same thing, so I'm going to be sharing with you all the secrets, how to do so. So step number 1, I do not encourage my clients to shop for new pieces and put together new wardrobe before they have the knowledge, the vision, and the strategy. So you need to understand that if you want to create a wardrobe that truly works for you, fill it with pieces that fit you in the right way, that when you put it on, you love your reflection in the mirror. You need to have a good knowledge and understanding what colors fit you and what kind of fit and silhouette works for your body right now. This is fundamental. Before you know that, before you nail it, shopping will always be a guesswork. It's always going to be taking a lot of time, and it's always going to be like, oh, like it's a guesswork. Oh, I wonder if it's gonna work. I wonder if this color or this piece is gonna go together. You need to establish this type of knowledge once and for all. Nail your vision for your style, what colors work for you, what kind of colors you want in your wardrobe, what kind of colors work for the activities in your life, for the image that you want to project. And then it becomes so much clearer, like what kind of style and vision and wardrobe you want to have for yourself. So you need to have the knowledge. This is the fundamental. And then you also need to have the strategy and the vision for your style. So usually you have several activities in your life, and it's only normal that in those different activities you would have a different types of vision. So when you go to the office, and let's say you had a promotion recently, you're in a new role. When you are in your office, maybe the key things that you want to project with your image is going to be, I want to feel powerful, I want to feel confident, I want to exude like confidence through my outfit, I want to be seen like I'm in power, I want to be seen as a professional that I am. Maybe at the same time you want to be seen as friendly and approachable, so whatever it might be for you. While in another area of your life, let's say when you are with your husband, there you want different things, and that is normal. When you are going on a date with your husband, maybe you want to wow your husband with your outfit. You want to feel feminine, you want to feel flirty, you want to have a romantic look. So these are very different things. Yet when you are running errands, it might be something totally else as well. Maybe you are looking to have a wardrobe which is very casual, very comfy, and put together at the same time. So when you're running from your Pilates class to a meeting with your friends or casual lunch, like you don't need to change or anything. If you bump into anybody, like you still look put together, you feel great in your very casual, comfy outfit because it's still very chic. So these are all the things that gonna have to come together for your wardrobe. And if you truly want a chic and practical wardrobe that works for you and makes you happy, you need to think in advance about all those things. Ideally, I would recommend for you to have a style vision. Not just thinking, okay, feminine, flirty, what does it mean for you? Because these things mean different things for different people. So if you're thinking flirty and feminine outfit, what it is. If you're thinking confident, powerful style at work, in the office, what does it mean for you? Because again, it can mean different things for different people. What is important, what it means to you? That's the only thing that matters. So if you have this type of style vision for you, everything becomes so much easier when you are shopping for the new style, for the new wardrobe. You have this clarity, you have those filters. So it becomes easier to shop for all the right pieces and to put together a wardrobe that truly works for you. Step number 2, I do not encourage my clients to buy more clothes, versus a much better strategy is to buy probably less clothes, but that every piece is there for a reason. Every piece has an intention and it hits all the right criteria. It's a very big misconception that, oh, if I buy more clothes, I'm gonna have more outfits. Most of the time, especially if you're buying without the knowledge, strategy, and vision, like this type of clothing, more of this clothing is not going to magically turn into more outfits. So if you want more outfits, you need the right pieces in your wardrobe. If you want to have a compact wardrobe, you can do so. Personally, even as a stylist, I love clothing. It's my jam, it's what I do for work, but I still like to keep my wardrobe pretty compact. I like to see what I have. I don't want to have a sea of clothing, and I'm very strategic. I'm very picky about what I allow into my wardrobe, and I prefer to select every piece which is 100%, like 200%, that hits all the criteria that are important for me in terms of color, fabric, fit, length, style, everything like that. So when you think about, okay, what kind of clothing you want to allow into your wardrobe, shopping for new pieces, what is important to you? What kind of color palette you want to put together in your wardrobe? What kind of quality you are looking for? What kind of fabrics make you happy? What kind of fabrics you like? Look at your wardrobe and see, okay, I'm loving this piece. Why is that? Maybe because the fabric is great, it's great quality, you've been using it for a while and you realize like it still looks as new. So it makes perfect sense for you to invest in better quality. Yes, maybe the piece is more expensive, but it's serving you for a little while. It looks great. So it's something that you can use for a time to come. And for your image, maybe for your next level style, you want to really invest in the high quality pieces. So you want your wardrobe to feel like $1,000,000 and you want to look like your age and your age. So this is truly what allows you to build a wardrobe where you have a great foundation. Every piece is there for a reason, but this is how you create more outfits. This is how you have a wardrobe that truly chic and practical and works for you in the long run. Step number 3, I do not encourage my clients to sacrifice comfort for style. Nowadays, you truly do not have to do that. So if you have some things that are important for you, for example, you walk a lot, you don't want to wear heels, or you want to wear a very tiny heel, that's totally fine. You can still look chic and put together without wearing any heels. Yes, you can do that. If you feel like, oh, I love structured pieces, but I love blazers, but I don't know, it feels like very uncomfortable. Can I pull out the look that is like put together with a blazer kind of look, but still comfy? Yes, you can. It's all about finding the right fit. It's all about finding the right brand that fits your body perfectly. So for example, with shoes, a lot of my clients are struggling with mostly with bottoms, the fit of the bottoms and the shoes. So for the shoes, we all have different fits. Some have wider, some have narrow, some have like, it depends. We have so many specifics, so there is not one brand that fits absolutely everybody, but nowadays you have the wider fit, for example. There are some shoes that are a bit more narrow. There are some shoes that they use some type of synthetic leather or special very soft nappa leather that is so comfy on the feet. So you would need to explore and find which brand work better for you. You want to try, and you can absolutely find. There are heels, believe me, there are heels. Okay, not high heels, but medium type heels, block heel, that are very comfortable. You can spend the whole day walking, the whole day in them, and it feels great on your feet. So you need to explore, you need to find, and there are solutions nowadays. You do not need to sacrifice your comfort for your style. It's truly possible to have both. Okay, number 4 is I do not encourage my clients to prioritize seasonal trends. Remember I said at the very beginning that if you want timeless wardrobe, you can truly do so, and it's nothing to do about the trends and about the trendy colors, the new trendy pieces. Honestly, you can skip all of that. You don't have to invest in the new trends. You don't even need to follow those trends. However, what you need to know is understand the difference between frumpy styles and the difference between the modern, timeless, classy styles. Yeah, there is a big difference between those two. So I think a lot of people are confusing that, oh, I don't want a frumpy style. That means that I need to shop for trendy pieces every single season. No, you do not have to. Personally, if you look at my Instagram and if you like my style looks great, know that I do not invest in trendy pieces, because whenever I buy something, I expect to wear this piece for quite a while until I don't like it anymore, until I had a lot of it, not when it's out of season, when it's out of trend. So this is truly possible. And most of my clients, they also want timeless look, they want a classy look. Then when they get something, like when you're in the 30s and your 40s, you want high quality items, so you pay a little bit more for those. And when you pay a little bit more for those, you want more wear out of it, which is only normal. But for that, you just need to invest in the quality basics and the quality pieces that truly work for you. And those are the modern classic pieces. I cover a lot of details on that in my program Style Accelerator, because this is one of the biggest requests that my clients come as well. For example, a lot of them, they would have a separate wardrobe for the office, and they do not want boring frumpy style for the office, which is all comprised of like gray pantsuits and stuff like that. You can absolutely have powerful, confident, great style with modern pieces. They don't have to be trendy and they don't have to be frumpy. You can do so. And number 5, final thing, I do not encourage my clients to expect an overnight change with their style, image, and wardrobe. From my experience, building a personal style is a journey. Yes, it could be shorter one when you have all the right guidance and guidelines. It could be much shorter one, but if you're really looking to build a wardrobe that is going to serve you not just like for this year or for this season, but something more in the long run and that serves you in all the different areas of your life, this takes time for you to truly understand your personality. What do you want to induce in your style? To untangle your priorities, how you like to look and feel. A lot of women have not experimented with their style enough. A lot of women haven't explored what is truly important for them, what they truly like, what they don't like. When a lot of my clients come to work with me, a lot of them, they say the things that they do not want. they have an idea of what they want. Most of the people, they say they want a classy Polish style, which also mean different things for different people. But what does it truly mean for you? How does it translate into actual outfits? What kind of colors do you want in your wardrobe? Do you want a lot of color? Do you want just a couple of colors? What kind of fit do you want? Do you like more fitted pieces or do you like more flowy pieces? Do you like to accentuate your top or your bottom? Like, there's so many details that come into play, and if you really want a wardrobe that works for you, all these details have to be accounted for. So for example, in my program, I encourage a lot of my clients to play with color. We have very strategic action items which allows them to explore and try different colors on themselves and to understand how they like it or don't like it. Because at the beginning, a lot of my clients will say, Nina, I love your style, it's so colorful, I love it, looks polished, but I don't think that's for me. And I always say, okay, that's fine, you can stick to your neutrals, you can wear your black, everything you want, but I will just encourage you to try. So try combining, for example, your bottoms, your neutral bottoms with a colorful top with the color of your color palette. Try that and see how it looks. Okay, how about you take a step further and you try a monochromatic look. The color from your color palette, pick one, combine it to your outfit, head to toe. How does it feel now? Do you like it? Do you not like it? So little steps like this truly allow then you to understand. And this, what often happens is that like 9 times out of 10, my clients would say, wow, I thought color is not for me. I thought it's for you, for some other women, Nina. But once I've tried and I've seen that I could actually look very chic and put together wearing color, and these colors fit me and suit me so beautifully, they make me shine, I think I actually would like to have more color in my wardrobe. One client actually told me a very, very nice, very interesting way. She told me that before working with you, Nina, my life used to be like black and white TV, because that was like truly, my wardrobe was a reflection of that. It was just black and white wardrobe, a bit of gray, a bit of navy, but basically black and white. Now, once I know how to wear color, once I know which colors make me look great, once I know how to mix colors, I want more of it in my wardrobe. And if you want actually more variety in your wardrobe, if you want mix and match outfits, color is truly important tool to utilize in your style in your wardrobe, because it allows you to create this maximum variety. So this is what I always say. You need to experiment, you need to explore and more. And the great style is always inside out. Nobody's going to hand you a recipe. this is your style, follow this recipe. If you really want authentic style that works for you, makes you happy, works for different areas of your life, works in the long run, you need to base it on like inside out, based on what you like, what you truly like, what is important for you, then you can truly have that type of style. And final step, I actually lost count, I think it's number 6, or maybe I skipped one. It's actually delaying your style and delaying investing in your wardrobe until something happens. And most often something happens is like you lose weight. A lot of women, majority of women I would say, are on a lost weight journey. I do work with a lot of ambitious women who are moms. They've just become a mom, a year has passed, their body has changed and they're still in the process of change, and they're waiting, they're delaying their style, they're delaying looking great until this moment something changes. I'm going to share with you a few things. Firstly, your body is going to continue to change. Things are going to continue to change. So if you're delaying your life until a certain moment, like I'm going to have this, I'm going to hit this weight and this and that, probably it's not going to happen. It's like your body has already changed. Your shape has maybe already changed. A lot of things have changed. So why would you delay you looking and feeling great until this uncertain moment? And your life happens right now, like seriously right now in your weight, in your non-ideal weight, none of us in the ideal weight, you can already feel really good. You can already discover the styles and the silhouette and clothing pieces that make you feel really, really good. One of my clients recently told me actually, Nina, I'm so sorry I lost weight. I lost a lot of weight recently. I'm so sad about that. Sounds ridiculous, right? That is because she lost a lot of weight and she cannot anymore wear all those great pieces and great outfits that she got while she gained weight, and she bought new pieces when her body has changed and like it fitted her size 12, 14 US. So she initially applied to work with me because she had an injury, she could not move, so she gained a lot of weight. She transitioned from size 8 US, I think, to size 12, 14 US. So her body changed a lot, and she came to me and said, I don't think I can look great. I don't know how to dress my body, but I want to try. Let's try. And so in the process, she developed great style. She learned how to dress her body. So now she's sorry she lost weight. Okay? That sounds ridiculous, but this is what happens. And this is what I always say, that you can have amazing style no matter your size, shape, height, or anything like this. So I would encourage you not to delay feeling your best, because you can truly have amazing style until a certain uncertain moment in the future. So I hope it's been helpful. My name is Nina Walder. I'm a style coach for ambitious professional women. If you want to dive deeper into style, into strategic style, and building your image with intention, follow my channel, and you can also apply to watch my in-depth training, Style Accelerator, and how my clients achieve amazing style and image transformation. See you in the next one.